Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to THINKRR. Today we will be looking at some unbelievable and amazing facts of the Earth that you never heard of. Make sure you watch this video till the end. So let's quickly jump to number 1. Number 1. Earth has not always had a 24-hour day. If you travel back in time, you will have to adjust your watch because around 100 million years ago, a day was 21 hours long and not 24 hours. Yes, we are talking about the time when dinosaurs were found on our planet. Another fact that if you have ever wanted extra hours in the day, then take heart. A prehistoric mollusk reveals how dinosaurs lived 70 million years ago, that is 23.5 hours a day, 372 days a year, and how much longer days might become over the course of the next several million years. The revelation that Earth has not always had a 24-hour day and orbited the Sun over the course of 365 days every year comes from the discovery of an ancient claim dating back to the Cretaceous period, when dinosaurs ruled the Earth. Before we jump to number 2, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such exciting, interesting, mind-boggling and shocking facts. Number 2. Earth is almost a sphere. Many people tend to think that the Earth is a sphere. In fact, between the 6th century BCE and the modern era, this remained the scientific consensus. But thanks to modern astronomy and space travel, scientists have since come to understand that the Earth is actually shaped like a flattened sphere, aka an oblate spheroid. This shape is similar to a sphere, but where the poles are flattened and the equator bulges. In the case of the Earth, this bulge is due to our planet's rotation. This means that the measurement from pole to pole is about 43 kilometers less than the diameter of Earth across the equator. Even though the tallest mountain on Earth is Mount Everest, the feature that's furthest from the center of the Earth is actually Mount Chimborazo in Ecuador. Number 3. A year on Earth isn't 365 days. It's actually 365.2564 days. It's this extra 0.2564 days that creates the need for a leap year once every 4 years. That's why we tack on an extra day in February every 4 years: 2004, 2008, 2012, etc. The exceptions to this rule is if the year in question is divisible by 100, that is 1900, 2100, etc. Number 4. Earth is the only planet known to have life. We've discovered past evidence of water and organic molecules on Mars, and the building blocks of life on Saturn's moon Titan. We can see amino acids in nebulae in deep space. And scientists have speculated about the possible existence of life beneath the icy crust of Jupiter's moon Europa and Saturn's moon Titan. But Earth is the only place life has actually been discovered. If there is life on other planets, scientists are building the experiments that will help find it. Science, NEXSS, which will spend the coming years going through the data sent back by the Kepler Space Telescope for signs of life on extrasolar planets. But for now, Earth remains the only place we know of where there's life. Now that is an interesting fact. Number 5. The Earth's molten iron core creates a magnetic field. The Earth is like a great big magnet, with poles at the top and bottom near to the actual geographic poles. The magnetic field it creates extends thousands of kilometers out from the surface of the Earth, forming a region called the magnetosphere. Scientists think that this magnetic field is generated by the molten outer core of the Earth, where heat creates convection motions of conducting materials to generate electric currents. Be grateful for the magnetosphere. Without it, particles from the sun's solar wind would hit the Earth directly, exposing the surface of the planet to significant amounts of radiation. Instead, the magnetosphere channels the solar wind around the Earth, protecting us from harm. Number 6. Earth is mostly iron, oxygen and silicon. If you could separate the Earth out into piles of material, you'd get 32.1% iron, 30.1% oxygen, 15.1% silicon, and 13.9% magnesium. Of course, most of this iron is actually located at the core of the Earth. If you could actually get down and sample the core, it would be 88% iron. And if you sampled the Earth's crust, you'd find that 47% of it is oxygen. Number 7. 70% of the Earth's surface is covered in water. When astronauts first went into the space, they looked back at the Earth with human eyes for the first time. Based on their observations, the Earth acquired the nickname the Blue Planet. And it's no surprise, seeing as how 70% of our planet is covered with oceans. The remaining 30% is the solid crust that is located above sea level, hence why it is called the continental crust. Please drop a like if you like this video, because it would mean a lot to us. Also let us know any more facts which you think we should have included in this video, in the comments section, below.